Have you ever dreamed of transforming your backyard into a self-sustaining paradise filled with fresh, homegrown fruits, vegetables, and herbs? Well, today's the day we make that dream come true. Let's dive into how to create your very own backyard food forest step by step. A food forest is a diverse, self-sustaining ecosystem made up of edible and useful plants designed to mimic nature's layers. Think of fruit trees at the top, berries in the middle, and herbs, vegetables, and ground covers at the bottom. Not only does it look beautiful, but it's also highly productive and sustainable. Before you jump into planting, take a moment to observe your backyard, note the sunlight, soil type, and water flow. With that info, design your food forest by zoning areas for trees, shrubs, and smaller plants. Don't forget to plant pathways and space for water collection like a rain garden or swale. Healthy soil is the foundation of a successful food forest. Start by enriching your soil with compost or aged manure. If the soil is compacted, loosen it with a garden fork. And always top it off with a layer of mulch to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and feed the soil as it decomposes. Now, the fun part, choosing your plants. Start with hardy fruit or nut trees suited to your climate, like apples or pecans. Then, add shrubs like blueberries or blackberries, and don't forget herbs like mint or basil. Ground covers like strawberries or clover will keep the soil healthy, while climbing plants like beans or grapes maximize vertical space. To mimic nature, plant in layers. Start with your tallest trees, followed by shrubs, herbs, and ground covers. This creates a dense, efficient system where each layer supports the other. Plus, plant diversity attracts beneficial insects and improves the garden's health. Watering efficiently is key. Install a drip irrigation system or collect water with a rain barrel. Swales can help retain moisture in the soil. Mulching around your plants reduces the need for frequent watering by conserving moisture. Once planted, maintenance is minimal. Prune as needed, replenish mulch, and keep an eye out for pests or diseases. But don't worry, over time, your food forest will thrive on its own. Consider adding chickens for natural pest control and to enrich the soil. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to creating your own backyard food forest. It's the perfect way to grow organic, fresh produce while building a sustainable and beautiful ecosystem at home. Ready to get started? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more tips on sustainable gardening. Together, let's grow smarter and live greener.